Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Tab for you a 2018 Kubota BX2380. This tractor is in unbelievably beautiful condition. It is a very straight tractor. There's a ding in the hood, and you guys would never believe there's 1,030 hours. The guy primarily used this tractor to mow with. Loader has very little use on it. Turf tire package, folding roll bar, and there is powertrain on this to, what'd you say, Matt, 7?
9724.
Oh, 97 of 24. So there is powertrain warranty, engine hydrostat, and hydraulics. It does have an RCK 60 23BX belly mower deck on it that we just went over. Very good running, working tractor. We're going to start here underneath the hood. There are, on the hood, there's a couple scratches. There's a little ding right here, like everybody to be aware of. I'm just pointing that out for everybody to know. Powered by Kubota D902 3-cylinder diesel engine, starts and runs great. We just did a full, complete service on this tractor. All filters and oils have just been changed. Very, very good running, working tractor. Everything we sell like that is serviced and ready to go to work. You can see up front on the loader, hardly paint still on the bucket. We went through the deck, checked gearbox, through the gauge wheels, made sure everything took grease. There's a couple scuffs on this fender from something where he was mowing. Cat 1 3-point hitch, 540 PTO, work lights, slow moving vehicle sign. I do have the one clip ordered for here we have to replace, or this little lanyard we have to put on. Does have the nice Kubota seat with the armrest package. We're going to show you right here on the dash. 1,030 hours. All the gauges work. It's just a very, very well-kept tractor. You'd never believe that had that 1,030 hours on it. We're going to go ahead, fire it up, we're going to run it around, show you does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. What we're going to do, I always put these tractors in four-wheel drive, low range to start. Go ahead here and lift ourselves up. So you'll see four-wheel drive works. Four-wheel drive out. Now, we'll go ahead and go to high range. These are a nice little tractor, pushing snow in your, keeping your driveway cleared. You can do that without trouble. We're going to go ahead and show you here on the mower deck. Deck's nice and smooth, quiet. Headlights, turn signals, four ways all work. Guys, you got any questions? 814-658-3066. Please look at our website, www.marksupplyco.com. I have a nice selection of BX tractors at the moment. Spring's around the corner. If we get another 60 days in, hopefully this crap's going and grass is growing. It'll be great. So any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.